The moment I came in to interview, I could just feel this buzz in the office that was electric.
The atmosphere, I love it.
It's always a really buzzing atmosphere. You come in and you really look forward to going to work, and like everyone's always really supportive and helpful.
You work with some brilliant people.
I love the culture. The teams that I work within are great.
You know, you're able to just have a chat and pull someone aside if you want to go for a pint after work with different people, then you've got that option to do that.
Of course, we go out on sort of team nights as well.
There's nights out, whereas some of the teams will just get together and go on a night out.
There's regular incentives across the business for whether you're a consultant or just a member of the team, back office or training like me.
Yeah, my favourite TXM moment was when all of us, there was a big group of us that went to Barcelona.
And it's just great getting out with my other colleagues and just socialising in general.
I know I've been to Prague with the company and a few others.
Commission scheme is really good. We've actually just had a few changes on it, which actually makes it better for us now moving forwards. Benefits are fantastic.
When I think, oh, I've got this idea, and then no matter how big or small my idea was, I know that they would take it on board.
It's a great big company, but it's also got that smaller company feel.
Everyone sort of mingles, and there's no, like, I'm this, so you need to talk to me like this. And I like that because everyone's approachable, and I could speak to anyone about anything.
Within this big business, you can go and talk to your MD just like it's talking to your colleague.
Right through from the top level through to people that are coming into the business, everyone wants to have a chat with you and everyone's really supportive. So
There's no real hierarchy, and so everybody's extremely approachable.
it is like a family. People are very supportive of you.
It's clear where you need and what you need to do to progress, which is something that most businesses don't really do.
To be honest with you, the training and like I said, the progression is amazing.
There's clear progression opportunities in terms of people development. They have plans to do with the infrastructure.
It's a sizable company, so you can do what you want and have the backing for that.
I would say that if you're looking for somewhere long term and you're looking somewhere they are going to look after you and they want you to progress, then definitely to look at joining TXM.